What's up, family? Back again. That boy can cook in the place, in your face. Today, y'all, we're doing something very quick, very simple, very easy, very delicious. Garlic cheesy bread. Cheesy garlic bread. One of my favorites. Pretty sure it's one of yours too. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. And you can even share it. Yeah, go ahead, share it. All right, now let's get to this cheesy garlic bread. All right, y'all, like I say, quick and easy, This is all you're gonna need. I'm lying, forgive me. That is not all you're gonna need. Now, that's all we're gonna need for this cheesy garlic bread, y'all. All right now. All right, family, like I said, this was gonna be quick and easy. All right, as you can see, I already split our Italian bread, and I didn't run over the ingredients. So I have 1 loaf of Italian bread. I have 5 tablespoons of butter. I'm using the salted butter. So we're just gonna let this butter melt. Let's get it melted. We're gonna add the garlic in here. We're gonna melt the garlic, and then we're gonna melt the butter and get the garlic in here at the same time. So I like to kind of get a little brown on the garlic, let it get aromatic. I really should have put it in there first, but I didn't. That's on me, y'all. That's on me. All right, now as you can see, we got our butter melted. We want to be careful, make sure we don't burn it. So let's go ahead and turn it off. We don't need to cook it anymore. It's already doing what we need to do. So let's go ahead and add our first parsley. As such. And there we go. Quick and easy garlic butter, y'all. Let me let the sizzle stop. That's the garlic. Quick and easy garlic butter, y'all. Quick and easy. All right, now let's come back. We're gonna lay our bread with the garlic butter. All right, as you can see, our garlic butter was ready. So now all we gotta do is let's get our bread coated with this delicious garlic butter, y'all. Just make sure we get it all on there. Make sure y'all get some of them garlic chunks in there as well. Be generous with it. Yeah, let's just get these all painted up. All right, now, as you can see, I got our garlic bread. Garlicky. Look at that. You want it greasy. All right, now we're gonna take our mozzarella and our Colby Jack cheese mix, and we're just gonna layer it. Just like this right here. Just top it off. And we're gonna place this boy in the oven at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes, or maybe 8 to 10 minutes. I am going to time it as I put it in there, and I will let you guys know. But as you can see, quick and easy, and delicious garlic cheese bread right here, y'all. That boy can cook. Let's get this in the oven. Let's get it in the oven. All right, y'all, see how quick and easy it was? Look at that. That's some delicious garlic bread right there. Look at that. Listen to that bread. Crispy, y'all. Let's see what it do. family. Look at that. Look at that. The cheesy garlic bread right there. All right, family. As you can see, we are all done with this delicious. I couldn't wait, y'all. I had to take a bite. Delicious. Cheesy garlic bread. Winner. Chicken dinner. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe so that boy can cook. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing, when we're doing it. That boy can cook, out the place, out your face. Everybody,